So I've cut 2 bits of fabric. This is going to be my outside bit of fabric. So I've cut this 8 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long, and same with the interfacing. So the interfacing is going to go in when I iron the outside, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So you just cut your favorite bit of fabric, and then you cut your interfacing. So I've cut this 8 centimeters by 30, and same with the interfacing. Okay, now that our interfacing is on, we're going to cut off the excess. It's okay if you have a little bit more than the fabric you have. You can just cut it off once you're done. And just neaten it up. Okay, so now you want to halve it. And then iron. Make sure to take your time. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next step, which is each side you want to line up with the middle crease and just iron. I have my setting on cotton just because my outer layer is cotton. And do the same to the other side, meet it in the middle, and then iron. Okay, now we're going to fold it in half. Now we take this to the sewing machine. Okay, so I have white thread in my sewing machine at the moment. So I'm just going to change that quickly and we'll get right to it. So you're going to take your ironed fabric strip and your hardware of choice. So I've chosen to do it with one of these and I've gone with silver. So we're going to start by sewing each side of the fabric, and here we go. I'll show you the end result. Okay, so you can get this special hardware that will just clip on the bottom there, but we're going to be doing it a different way because we're using one of these. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now we're going to sew these two ends together across here, and then we'll go from there. Okay, now we're just going to neaten it up where you've sewn. Just get those little end bits off. And we're going to neaten it right up. Okay, so now you want to twist it inside out like that. If you can hear a little voice in the background, it's just my little baby. He's sitting here with me while I do this. Yeah. Okay, and now we're going to pop this bit at this end, and then we're going to sew along here. Yeah. Now we're just going to neaten them up. And then that's your end product. They are super cute and great for your keys, or making sure you don't lose anything, like your keys, your bag, anything like that. So if you've liked this video, like the video, subscribe, and put the notification bell so you get all my videos. Have a great day, guys. So this is the end product of our wristlet. If you've liked the video / tutorial, if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get the rest of my click the notification bell to get any more of my videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Thank you for following my tutorial. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for when I upload more videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye.